In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your CapCut account. First, make sure you're logged into your CapCut account on a web browser. It's usually easier to follow this process on a computer, but you can also do it on a mobile browser if you prefer. Open your browser, go to the CapCut website, and sign in using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your avatar, your initials, or a generic profile symbol. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, select the option labeled Settings. As soon as you click Settings, the page will reload and take you to your profile settings area. This is where you can manage things related to your account, such as personal details and preferences. Now that you're in your profile settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. There, you'll find a section that says Delete Account. Next to that text, you'll see a Delete button. This is the button that starts the account deletion process. Click on the Delete button. When you do that, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This pop-up is very important because it explains exactly what will happen when you delete your account. It may mention things like losing access to your projects, drafts, or any content stored in your account, and that this action might be permanent. Take a moment to read through everything in the pop-up carefully. Make sure you fully understand the consequences before you continue. If there's anything you want to download or save from your account, it's a good idea to do that before confirming the deletion. Once you've read the information and you're sure you want to go ahead, look at the bottom right corner of the pop-up. You'll see another Delete button there. Click that button to confirm that you want to delete your CapCut account. After you click Delete, CapCut will process your request. In most cases, your account will either be deleted right away or scheduled for deletion, depending on their policy. And that's it. Your CapCut account has now been deleted, and you're all done with the process.